Fun Fridays, brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com. Welcome to momseveryday.com. I'm your host, Jen Lennon. Today I'm joined by Matea Mejora Kruger. She is the CEO and founder of LP Learning Center here in Colorado Springs. Matea, welcome.
Hi, Jen.
It's great to have you here this
Thank
morning.
you.
And welcome to your business in Colorado Springs. You guys are a new business here. When did you open your doors?
Well, we opened the 1st of July this year.
But you're not new to this business. You actually have learning centers somewhere else in the world. Tell us about that.
We own 2 learning centers in Germany and language schools. And we just kind of, implemented the way the German centers work to this, to Colorado Springs.
Which is fabulous. You bring a wealth of background, I know, Matea, in languages yourself. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, I do speak several languages, and
7, you told me, actually. Don't be modest, which is incredible. I'm basically still working on my first one, but you speak 7 languages.
Yes, I do.
And you said you have a degree in education linguistics.
Yeah, I have master in linguistics and psychology, and I have additional education in math, teaching math.
That's wonderful. So these LP Learning Centers are a wonderful combination, you were telling me, of tutoring and language. So let's talk a little bit about the tutoring side. What is it that you offer there?
Well, we primarily offer one-on-one premium tutoring, which means that there would be one child and one tutor all the time for 60 minutes. And if parents want a more affordable way of tutoring, the things that we offer as well are flat rate tutoring.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
And you can even group together. You were
Yes,
saying,
you
for
can.
instance, if math is an issue, maybe you have a 6th grader who's maybe struggling a little bit in math, you can pair them up and
Yes,
make
you
that
can.
work out a little bit more.
Yes, you can.
And tell us, for the tutoring, you work with all age ranges, right? So you can do kindergarten, not in the same room, obviously, but
No.
whatever age your child is, you guys
Yeah.
will have teachers
Yes.
who can specialize in those areas.
So we would start with kindergarten,
Sure.
and we would go up to college.
And even college prep things
Yes.
like SATs and
Yes.
stuff like that. What about your teachers? Who's working with the kids?
Well, the teachers that are working for us are certified teachers. They are certified to teach. They have to go through an evaluation process,
Okay.
through application process. They have to do, they have to teach in the presence of a senior teacher, just in order that we see how they work.
So
They
you have some apprenticeship and
Exactly,
some
exactly,
certification
exactly,
requirements.
exactly.
And then the other unique thing, Matea, that you all are offering is this whole language program, and specifically you're starting your German school coming up this week, right? Tell us about that.
Okay, so on 6th of September, the Saturday German School would start.
In October, yeah.
In October, I'm sorry.
No, that's okay.
In September now.
That's all right. I can't believe it's October.
Yeah, yeah.
But your Saturday German school, and that's an opportunity for kids to come and do what?
Yeah, well, all the kids that have, in a way, a German background, or they would like to learn some more about foreign languages or open up their horizon, they come in, and this German Saturday School starts at 10 and goes up to 1. So it's 3 hours of teaching about cultural, doing grammar, doing some talking in German language and stuff like that.
But a real fun way to
Yes.
expose your child to that German heritage if they have it, or if you want them just to know a little bit more about the world.
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
Excellent. Matea, we look forward to hearing every month from you and what your school is going to offer. So thank you for being with us.
Okay, thank you very much, Jen.
And for more information about LP Learning Center, you can go to our website, momseveryday.com. Thank you for joining me today and every day. I'm your host, Jen Lennon, for momseveryday.com. Moms Every Day, weekdays at 9:25 a.m. and 5:55 p.m. is brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com.